In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to present a window in Google Meet. If you want to share just one specific app or document during your meeting, Google Meet makes that very easy with the window sharing option. This is a great choice when you want to keep the presentation focused and avoid showing your entire screen, especially if you have other tabs, apps, or bunch of private information open in the background. To begin, look at the bottom area of your Google Meet call window. You'll find the share screen icon there. Go ahead and click on that icon to open the presentation options. This is the main control you'll use anytime you want to share content with the other people in the meeting. Once the sharing menu appears, select the option labeled Window. This choice allows you to present a single open application window instead of your full screen or a browser tab. It's especially useful if you're showing a document, a slideshow, a spreadsheet, or a specific program and you want to keep everything else hidden from view. After you click on Window, Google Meet will display the windows that are currently open on your computer. Take a moment to choose the correct one. It helps to make sure the app or file you want to show is already open before you start, so it appears clearly in the selection list. If you have several windows open, double check the preview carefully so you don't accidentally share the wrong one. When you've selected the correct window, click Share. At that point, the chosen window will start presenting to everyone in the meeting. The participants will only see that specific window, which helps create a cleaner and more professional presentation experience. If you switch to another app on your computer, keep in mind that viewers will still only see the window you selected. That's one of the biggest advantages of sharing a window instead of the entire screen. It gives you a little more privacy and helps reduce distractions for your audience. Before presenting, it's also a good idea to close anything unnecessary inside the window you plan to share, so the content looks neat and is easier for others to follow. And if you're presenting something important, a quick preview before clicking Share can help you avoid mistakes. That's all it takes to present a window in Google Meet. Open the Share Screen option, choose Window, and then click Share to begin presenting the exact content you want your meeting participants to see.